Accessing Lagos from Abeokuta through the old road is like trying to pass through the hole of a needle. You could imagine what a federal government road has turned to overnight. Your first hurdle is the failed portion of a bridge closed for months with no hope of repairs in sight. Behind me is the failed portion of the bridge from Abeokuta end of the Lagos-Abeokuta Expressway at the old road. This failed bridge has been abandoned for some time now, and this is one of the impediments of the free flow of traffic on this side of the road. The only escape route here is to drive against the traffic, which our crew also aligned with, and traffic rules jettisoned. Ogun State Governor Prince Dapo Abiodun visited this road recently with so many palliatives carried out in the past to ameliorate the suffering of the people. He again challenged the federal government as he promised to embark on another round of palliatives. For motorists to have a sigh of relief, palliatives work had commenced from Itori, and movement of vehicles better than what it was, although gridlock as usual is still a remaining feature at Sango end. Hopefully, a relief is on the way once the palliatives get to the axis. Another federal government road which has long begged for attention, the Sango to Berger end of Lagos State, which has long been abandoned. Another wonders of the world done by the current administration in Ogun State, led by the Governor Prince Dapo Abiodun, is the recent approval for the total construction of this road. This is a 32-kilometer road from Sango down to Berger, embarked upon by the immediate past administration.
We were told that it was going to be constructed, and many houses were destroyed in the process. Some lost their lives, and unfortunately it could not be done. Initially it was a bit motorable, passable, but after the demolition, excavation of the existing asphalt, it became terribly bad.
In the course of this report, another ongoing road construction was cited, the Olusegun-Oshoba Road along Agbado power line. An old man, Apostle Adeleye-Oladapo, who has been staying in this area for over 39 years, says Governor Dapo Abiodun is a man of his words.
We've been suffering on this road before Dapo Abiodun came and decided to make it one of his priority, particularly in this his first tenure.
A commissioner designate, Honorable Adijat Adeleye, is from Ifo local government, and the larger part of the road construction falls under her constituency. She described the news of the construction as a soothing relief for her and the people of Ifo.
The rot has gotten so deep that for you to pick it up and begin to reconstruct, it wasn't a small thing. But I am happy that just, I think, was it last week, the reconstruction of that road has been awarded. This is coming from a sincere heart of the governor.
As these are ongoing, other roads in Ogun State receiving same attention. A right step in the right direction. Bunmi Adigun, OGTV News.